vlogmas day 23. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, this vlog is probably gonna be real short because I was supposed to been came outside and been did a lot of stuff, but I didn't. It's been super windy all day, 20 something degrees, so I stay in the house and I ended up falling asleep. It's 5:32. I'm just getting outside and I'm about to see if I can do a few orders. I really don't want to go to the grocery store because y'all know everybody's last minute shopping. I need to go to the grocery store to pick up a few things for myself. And then instead of my grandma ordering the stuff like she usually does, she wants me to go to the store and pick up some stuff. And I wasn't planning on going back down that way until Sunday afternoon. But I'm probably gonna have to go down there either before Sunday or early Sunday morning. I'm kind of annoyed about that because it's just like I'm wasting gas. I gotta go down there and take that stuff, then go back home, and then come back down that way to spend time with them. So I'm annoyed about that, but it is what it is. Yeah, so about to see if I can make a little bit of money tonight. I really should have been out. I turned my freaking Instacart app on around like 10 something. No way. Okay, that person's impatient. That is hilarious. They literally just went around the person that's at the stop sign. Yeah, I should have been out, bro. Instacart has been booming all day with orders, but bro, I did not feel like coming outside this wind and this coldness. But we out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and apologize right now for this vlog being short because I already know it's probably about to be short. I apologize for that. It is what it is. Let me turn on Uber. I just don't want to go into the stores, period, right now. Like, I know I could have made some good money today, but I just don't feel like dealing with that. Because people be acting real, like, they be acting real slow around the holidays. They already act slow anyways in the stores. Don't want to move out the way. Unless it's like a quick order or something, or it's like really worth it. I'm probably not going to be doing Instacart tonight. About to stick with Uber and DoorDash if Uber will let me log in. It's loading right now. Bro, whenever I have my first order, I will come back and check in with y'all. Bro, I'm about to get so freaking annoyed. I don't know if something's wrong with my phone right now. I probably need to restart it. I did restart it last night, I think. Or it might have been this morning because it was acting stupid. But I just saw a $57.19 Instacart order just popped up on my screen from like the notifications. And I'm trying to refresh the damn Instacart thingy and it's not refreshing. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm about to get annoyed. I just restarted my phone. I did not know somebody was parked kind of close to me. I hate when people do that. I really do. Like, it's so many empty parking spots around here and you decide to park close by me. Why is that? Why do people do that? I never do that because I don't want nobody staring into my car. All right, restarting the damn phone. I know somebody just snatched that order up. It probably was a lot anyways. I probably wouldn't have did it, but I would have loved to see the items. Okay, so after about 5 minutes of yelling at my phone, I finally got everything to load up and I accepted my first order. This one is 1438, 7 miles, and they got a lot of stuff. 13 items. Got a Dr. Pepper. I gotta make sure I get the Dr. Pepper. All right, this one is at Carrabba's, so I'm about to go over that way and see if it's done. Bro, that literally annoyed the fuck out of me because I have unlimited data. Like, everything is unlimited, so I don't understand why everything is running so slow. But I think it's good now. So here is the food. I had to put it in the back. the drink. This food smells so good. I've never had Carrabba's before. I might have to, you know, tell my eating partner that we should get some one day. Cause I've never, yeah, I don't think, I've never had that place before. I'm gonna get right here. Ooh, child, it is so packed outside. Everybody doing their last minute shopping. And then, you know, people just out anyways. It's too cold to be outside. It's too cold. I really need some gloves on. That's what I need. Oh, let's get this food out here. Ooh, it's so cold. Bro, I can't even submit the. It is busy tonight. I told them to have a great night. Alright, boom. Now we're about to go back over there and see if we can make some more money. I have no idea what I'm about to eat for dinner, but I am hungry. Alright, so I'm back in the house, y'all. And I just got the notification from Uber. I knew this order was going to go up because he ordered so much stuff. But I did not think he was going to tip me that much. He tipped me $31.63. Wow. I knew it was going to go up though. That's so sweet. Now I want to go back and hug him. I don't even like touching people. But I want to go back and hug him. That was so sweet. I appreciate that. That's the only order I did tonight. Now, I already bet on one game. I put down $1.79. So I'm about to bet on another one. And then probably in like an hour or two, I'm going to go back outside and go to the grocery store and pick up some stuff. And also, I have to drop off this order at the post office. It's just a sample order. So, yeah. That's all I gotta do today. But dang, that was so sweet. I was not expecting that. But let me get back to betting because these games finna start. This angle is definitely crazy. But I'm about to make my list real quick so I can go to the store. I think this is it. Cereal, milk, juice, water, eggs, bacon, pepper, onion, ice cream, chips, Cheez-Its, salad kit, chicken breast, cheese, yogurt, and oil. That should be good. Because I still have ground beef left. I have a lot of ground beef left. And I have some wings left. So, don't really need meat. All right, let's go ahead to the store so we can come back in the house. Hopefully, it has calmed down some. Because it is a 9:10 right now. And I already edited the first clip. So, I don't have that much more to edit. So, I should be able to get it up before 12 o'clock. All of this came up to $64 and some change. I gotta make sure I didn't break my eggs because I did bang them a little bit. Okay, they good. That's the large white egg. I was gonna get the 18 pack, but it was $7. Like, bro, that is expensive for some damn eggs. I don't know if they've always been that price, but I decided not to get them. Then I got onion, green pepper, Caesar salad kit. I might actually eat this tonight. Got some more of the triple chocolate ice cream, Turkey Hill, so good. I got these yogurts. I got strawberry and blueberry. Shaved steak. I'm supposed to be making some Philly cheesesteak egg rolls, but they did not have the wraps in there. So I'm gonna go to another store tomorrow. And if I cannot find them, then they won't be getting none of my egg rolls. A packet of chicken breasts, some red potatoes and onions. Favorite cereal that I haven't had in forever. Oh my god, it's been like a month. Yeah, probably like over a month since I had these. Then I also haven't had any Funyuns in a while. The last time I had some Funyuns was probably when I was in Pennsylvania. So got a pack of Funyuns for a little snack. I got some more Cheez-Its. This is our favorite. We love the blueberry lemonade, so got some of this. I got some almond milk for my cereal and some oil. So that is all the stuff that I picked up. I'm gonna actually get my grandma to get some fruits and stuff, because I do want some bananas. I want some bananas and oranges. I didn't get any water because they didn't have the spring water that I wanted in there. So I decided I'd get it later on. I do have some water here though. And I decided not to get the bacon. And I'm gonna get the cheese tomorrow if they have the wraps. Here is my little haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Now we finna pack this order up and I'm gonna drop it off later tonight, probably like around 12 something. I don't know. We'll see. Customer ordered 4 samples. So she got Sunkiss, Obsessed, For Keeps, and Hustler. Glitter glosses, so pretty. Here is the order. Now I'm gonna print out the packing slip and I'm gonna drop this off in a few hours. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't much at all, but I hope y'all still enjoyed it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. 2 more days to go. If you haven't checked out the other vlogmas videos, make sure you check them out. Show some love, support. I greatly appreciate it.